Next, the heat is transfer. Earlier we have discussed the heat is transfer. How it will be transferred? There is another one important thing. How it will be transferred? Heat is transfer. We have discussed the heat is a transfer, but how? There is a main. There has the three modes. Basically, there are three modes of heat transfer. The first one is a conduction, the second one is a convection, then third one is a radiation. So, it is a transfer method. How it will be said? Actually, for example, heat is transfer from the higher temperature to lower temperature. We need some mode. What is the mode? Like our bus. Okay, now you can see I am going to move anywhere in outer place. For example, now I am in Kumbakonam. I am going to move in Tanjavur. How it will be moved? We are going to move by walk, by cycle, by our car or scooter, so whatever says some of the modes. So we have to use by mode to transfer from one place to the another one places. Now I am going to move from Kumbakonam to Tanjavur by bus. That is one of the mode. No sir, I am going to move from Tanjavur to Kumbakonam by cycle means that is one of the mode. So it is a modes. Here heat is also transferred three modes. There is like conduction, convection, radiations. So what is the conductions? What is the convections? What is the radiations? So we have to discuss. Now you can see the first it is a conduction. This is the mode of the energy transfer as heat due to the temperature difference within a body or between bodies in thermal contact without involvement of mass flow and mixing. So see, conduction is the one of the mode of heat transfer. How it will be transferred? We know this one. Earlier we have discussed. The heat is transferred from higher temperature to lower temperature. It is a means of the temperature difference within a body. That is the main concept, within a body or between bodies in thermal contact. So, what is a within a body? It is a concept. The heat is transferred by solid to solid. That is the main concept, by solid to solid and liquid to liquid. So the heat is transferred in same medium means it is a conduction. Understand what is the conduction means? The conduction means the heat is transferred in same medium. So same medium means same medium. How it will be same medium means from solid to solid heat transfer or liquid to liquid, that's a heat transfer. So solid to solid, how it will be transferred? See, I am going to heat one iron rod. It has a sum of the heat, the higher temperature, maybe it has a more than 100 degree or some odd degree Celsius. So the same solids it touch with the another one solid where it will be needed. So heat is transferred from solid to solid. So there is a medium is same means there is a conduction. Next, the convection. It is a very important mode for the heat transfer. That's the convection. This is the mode of heat transfer between solid surface and adjacent liquid or gas, that is the motion. So that is the main concept, the convection. The heat is transferred from one place to the another one place with or without medium. It is a temperature difference, but it is a different medium. That is the main concept. It is a different medium. Now you can see it is a different medium. What is a different medium? So it is like our boiling, okay, on boiling conditions. Actually, if we are going to cook, it is a simple concept because it is our mom is always cooking for in our home. So it is the best example in our mom going to cook. How it will be cooked means we need one vessel. Okay, first we have to put one vessel. After that, there will be boiling some of the water. Now we are going to give the heat input. What happened? The heat is transferred to, there is a solid medium. Which one is a solid medium? The vessel is a solid medium. So the heat is transferred to vessel. After that, the heat is transferred to water. That is a liquid medium. So solid, liquid. Here is a solid and liquid. What happening? The heat is transferred from solid to liquid. So it is another different medium. So solid to liquid, the heat is transferred. So there is a different medium. It is safe for, there is a convection. Understand? It is a very important that the heat transfer mode is a 3. That's a conduction, convection. Next, it is a radiation. What is the radiation? The radiation is also one of the heat transfer. Okay, it is the energy is emitted by matter. It is a electromagnetic waves. It is a very important. The radiation means the heat is transferred by the electromagnetic wave. So, sun, we know this one. From the sun, we are getting some of the heat. Okay, how it will be get? There is no medium. Okay, in between there is no medium, there is no solid, there is no gas, there is no liquid. But the Suryan, when there will be, Suryan means there is a sun, when the is going to for rise, is automatically the sun ray going to get in our air. So we are getting some of the heat here. From the Suryan, from the sun to earth, Bhumi, how it will be the heat is transferred? There is no medium. So here, without medium, it is a radiation. So without medium, radiation means what? It is an electromagnetic wave or electromagnetic phenomena. It will say for electromagnetic wave or electromagnetic phenomena. The heat is transferred, but how it will be transferred? There is no medium. So no medium. There is another one point. There is a no medium. There is a radiation. Understand? Once again, I repeated the heat. The heat is one of the energy. There is a energy. Okay. So the heat is play various role in our life. The heat is play various role in our life. There is a heat is a very important to living in our human being. Next, the heat is transferred. How it will be transferred? The heat is transferred from higher temperature to the lower temperature. From higher temperature to lower temperature. With or without medium. From higher temperature to lower temperature with or without medium during the temperature difference. It is the next. Next, the heat is transferred by some mode. What are the mode? There has 3 modes. It is a conduction, convection, radiation. First, the conduction, the simple concept, It is a same medium. The medium it will be same means there is a conduction. So it is a same medium. What is the same medium means? The heat is transferred liquid to liquid, solid to solid, or gas to gas. So it's transfer in same medium. Liquid to liquid transfer, solid to solid it will transfer, gas to gas it will be transfer. So it is a medium is same means it is a conduction. Here different medium, the name is a different medium. What is the different medium? The different medium means the heat is transferred from solid to liquid, or the heat is transferred from liquid to gas, or gas to solid. So the heat is transferred from the different mode, the various mode. That is a name is a convection. Next, radiation. There is a simple concept. There is no medium. There is no medium. There is not using any liquid, solid, and gas. But the heat is transferred by electromagnetic wave. It is a radiation. That's all. It is a basic. There is a simple concept.